All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in the South Coast area of Southern California with my friend Paula, and she is taking me on kind of a mystery ride. And I had been doing so much riding with different people that when we started, I thought, oh, I'll leave the camera in my bag. But oh my gosh, she has just taken me unbelievable paths along the ocean. It's an absolutely sensational day. And at the moment, we are on a road, but so far, most of the riding we have done has been on trails. And my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys all the places that we have been. And we're not even finished with this ride yet. Yeah, so let's go. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. Paul is taking me on kind of a mystery ride today. And when we started this ride, I had no intention of taking any video, but everywhere we're going, it has just been outstanding. It's just been sensational. And I keep grabbing the camera. Oh, let's go down this way. Hi there. Just these fantastic trails everywhere. It's got to be over 70 degrees. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. A little bit blustery. Got to put it in lower gear as we're climbing. Steep incline. Back to the road, maybe? No, we're not going back to the road. We are still on a path. Just saw a sign warning about rattlesnakes. Been seeing a lot of signs for rattlesnakes and mountain lions. Watch out for golf carts. Crazy golf carts. I am going to get my camera in the air because even though I can't see the view, it sure feels like there is one. I don't know. Is my arm reaching high enough to get this view? Or am I just getting a hedge? Oh, here we go. Wow, look at that. Hi. Oh my goodness gracious. Can we stop here? There's another viewpoint up ahead. So up on that bluff, that is the Ritz-Carlton, isn't it? Yes. Yeah, we actually stopped and had cocktails there one night at sunset. Highly recommend doing that. Overpriced cocktails, but the view is certainly worth it. Lots of surfers. Can we go down here? We can. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We have a paved sidewalk. It's going to take us down to the beach. Wow. What a day, huh? What a ride. .360 camera out on the 3-foot stick. Hopefully I can capture just some of this unbelievable beauty out here. It's nice to have camera up a little higher since I'm riding so low to the ground. But wow, what a sensational day, huh? Oh, look at the surfers. They're catching waves. I think I'm going to go around this lifeguard station. Yeah, look at this. These surfers out here. Yeah, here goes somebody. He's catching a wave, almost. Got surfers finished for the day. Lots of seagulls. People sunbathing. Oh, my goodness. Really just incredible. Yep, here goes somebody. He's paddling, he's paddling, he's paddling. Is he going to catch a wave? No, he missed it. All right. Well, best of luck, you guys. Salt Creek Surf. All right, so I'm with Paula, and we are riding the Hill of Death. Very steep climb here. Luckily, it's not too far up, and we're gonna get a great view from up here. We're gonna get a wonderful reward. Oh my goodness, huffing and puffing. I can finally get into a higher gear at the top of the climb, the Hill of Death. And I think this is Dana Point. And Paula is leading the way. But I would say this view is well worth the climb. So even when life seems uncertain, keep paddling. And I would say keep paddling. Yeah, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous day. On a bluff looking out at Dana Point Harbor, San Clemente to the south. So we've continued to climb, and we are at the Nature Interpretive Center. It's the city of Dana Point, and I think there's some trails up here. This may be a trailhead. Oh my gosh, look how clear Catalina is.
That's impressive.
So Catalina is 26 miles off the coast, and my goodness, you can see it so clearly today. It is blustery, probably blowing out, clearing the air.
There's another island over here.
So yeah, pretty nice view. I actually am putting on the brakes so that we can get more of the video. Kind of squeaky. But yeah, pretty nice up here, isn't it? Uh-oh, signal ahead. It should be illegal to put a signal at the bottom of a hill. Oh, but we have a green light. Lose my helmet here. I got so much air, I lost my helmet. I mean, it's still on my head, but it's not where it should be. Oh, really need to strap that down a little bit better. So here we are going along the Amtrak Metrolink tracks here. We are in San Juan Capistrano. Oh, look at this one, has a bicycle car. So this is very quaint, historic San Juan Capistrano. And we got some bikers here, probably stopping for the same reason we are. I mean, it's not really a bike ride unless you stop for coffee. Oh, so cute, right? Just absolutely adorable. Very quaint. And there's a train station here, Amtrak stop. And we are going to stop at the Hidden House Coffee. Ah, perfect. So we are on our way back to where we started, where I left my truck, where Paula met me, and we are on the final bit of this trail, which is also an equestrian trail. And we have been doing just a ton of riding, and I think I'll probably do a few videos of my time here, which is going to be at least a week. And this little bit of trail will probably be seen in a few videos. So many beautiful horses in through here. Mission Trails Stables. And you can see there's signs, trail courtesy. Bikes yield to walkers, which yield to horses. And this, of course, is a horse path just right here. Lots of poopies on the path. So here we are, back at my truck. Paula's actually going to ride to her house. But thank you, Paula. That was a great ride.
Yes, indeed.
The end of Paula's mystery ride. That was really, really fantastic.
Awesome.
It's
could not have had a better mystery companion.
right. I mean, in this weather and the scenery, my God, quintessential, fantastic.
I know.
And tomorrow we're going to go out and ride some more.
Do it again.
Yeah. All right. I'll see you later. So, all right, everybody, you have to let me know what you think of this ride. I thought it was really, really special. It was not at all what I thought we were going to be doing when we started. In fact, I was thinking I wouldn't even bring out the camera because we've been riding for days and I have so much video that I was like, okay, that's enough. But then as we were riding, it was just so beautiful. I couldn't help myself. So here is another video, and leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from everybody. You guys are awesome. I think I have just a fantastic community on this channel. Be safe, be healthy, and I will see you in the next video.